Service in Blacksburg has issued a flash flood warning for central Roanoke County, the city of Salem, the city of Roanoke until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Roanoke, Salem, Vinton, Hollins, and Cave Spring. This includes the following locations: the Salem Fairgrounds and Roanoke Regional Airport,